his driver's license number because you'll be able to see all the different spellings of his name and see how the case was probably missed initially. And originally that date wasn't out here. It was a warrant when I spoke with him, but
And Mr. Phillips, do you have anybody with you today? You got it on mute.
he's supposed to have Miss Odelia.
Yeah.
Omido.
And then I think we got we have one more that we're gonna try to add on.
Okay.
That's our chicken case?
Yes.
Okay, where is the driver's license number?
Okay, can you hear me now, Judge?
I can.
Okay, good.
You got anybody there right now with you?
Yes, sir. I got Miss Odelia Omida.
Okay.
And excuse me, my wife. And Judge, I have Amelia Daniel.
What was the second person?
Amelia Daniel.
Could you spell the last name for me?
Is D-A dash. Yeah. I'm sorry, I got them all out here. Just a second.
Okay. I don't know why I'm having trouble looking up this this driver's license number. It's just DLN in the NEXT category, and then the license.
BLN, and then you tab over to the inquiry, Judge, and then just type in the driver's
I
license.
put it in the case spot.
Oh yeah, no, you got to go over to inquiry.
Okay.
Okay, I got her last name now. It's DeLeon, it's spelled D-E-L-E-O-N.
D-E-L-E-O-N. The first name Amelia?
Maria.
Maria, can you spell that?
M-A-R-I-A.
Okay. I'm just having trouble hearing you a little bit in that room. It sounds like
That might help.
yeah. Okay, cool. I'm just checking folks in, so I think I got to do one or two more before we get to those. Ms. Fagan, did you have a chance to, I guess, get an offer on the case with the chickens?
Yes.
Okay.
If she pleads guilty to 2 of them, we'll do a 12-month delay and dismiss the rest.
Okay.
Okay.
Ms. Robinson, Ms. Hernandez, and Mr. Phillips, I'd like to put, I'd like to get a chance to talk with the defendant in this matter about that offer. It'll be a delayed sentence for 12 months. And Mr. Phillips, with any conditions that you guys can come up with, I'll hear them as recommendations as far as ways that we can, address this matter that's, sensitive to the community. and I just put you guys in a private room so you can talk for a little bit about it.
Okay, I'll bring her
Okay.
in. We may need you, Miss Emma.
I can hear you.
Yeah,
You can't hear?
I'm putting you on the room too, Miss Hernandez.
Okay, thank you.
We got to get an echo translator too, because I can't hear.
It's very difficult for me. You can hear it better than me. I can only have an echo. So maybe you will have to translate for me.
Oh, which one do you want to see? You want to see Miss Adelia or Nita?
Yep, that's the one we got the offer. It'll be pleaded 2 of the cases and a delayed sentence, and then whatever the sentence will be the terms that we kind of come up with in community court. So
Okay.
1 second. So I'm gonna open the room and you guys should be good.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, walk in. All right, let me try this again. DLN. W. One, 4, 3, 8. Okay, so I think I got Kareem Watkins' case.
Okay, Judge.
But is this right? I only see the one case.
Yep, it's just that one. That's the one that was originally missed. When I spoke to him, it was in warrant status, but it looked like a date was put out there afterwards. And so they set it for a show cause. But initially when he was here, this was the one that was still in warrant status.
Okay.
And when he had called, they told him he couldn't get a date until June.
Did I handle one of his cases before?
Judge, if so, it may have been for over there, maybe.
Okay, yeah, just covering.
Yeah.
Okay, let me call him up.
Okay.
Mr. Watkins, sir, can you hear me?
Yes.
Are you driving right now, sir?
No, I'm just sitting in the car. My kids in school.
Okay, could you tell me your name?
Kareem Watkins.
Okay, Mr. Watkins, sir, my name is Judge Williams. I'm gonna try to straighten you out today, okay, sir?
Okay.
This is State of Michigan versus Kareem Watkins, case SX370095881. Sir, it looks like you have a court date set for June 29th for a pretrial.
Yes.
But we're gonna try to knock this out today.
Okay.
Sir, when was the last time you were here?
Last week, I think, on the May the 5th.
Did you have a court date on that date?
Yes, I had a court date. I missed my court date because they mailed it to my old address.
Mm-hmm.
So when they mailed it, I didn't know I had no court date. I thought it was going on because of COVID. So I went down there. They said I had a warrant. So I went down there and got another court date, May the 5th. And she said my court, I don't know, she talking about I got to come back on June the 29th.
So yeah, so what happened is because this is a misdemeanor, what happened was they lifted the warrant and set a court date for you because you had to be before the judge. But sir, did you get a license yet?
I got my permit, but I don't have it on hand. They said I got to pay off the ticket. So the officer told me to get my permit, but as this go on, I got my permit. I could go to the Secretary of State after after this is resolved. He told me to get my permit and I won't have to pay no ticket. I got my permit, but they saying this popping up, so I can't get my permit.
When
But
did
I
you get your
paid off.
permit?
I got my permit. It's been like a month ago.
Okay. So, sir, I'm going to dismiss this case due to your compliance. There's going to be a $45 reinstatement fee that you're going to be responsible for because you missed your date. But you take care of that and you should be straight.
Okay, thank you.
You're
So
welcome.
so what, I gotta come up there and pay it?
You can pay it online at 36districtcourt.org, or you can use the DivDat kiosk. There's one in front of the building, but they're also at CVS's around Detroit.
Okay, so do I have to have a case number or nothing, or just pick?
How do you spell your first name?
Karreen.
Okay, I think it's under your correct spelling, and it'll be it should have a $45 reinstatement fee that you'll be able to pay.
So it's under the name I just gave you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it's
Karreen.
Yes.
Spell your last name for me.
Watkin.
Yep, it's under the right name.
Okay, so I could go in there now and pay the $45.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you. Thank
You're
you so
welcome.
much.
We got Courtney Bird.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Bird, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
How you doing today?
Good, and you?
Oh, pretty good. Let me call your case.
Okay.
This is State of Michigan versus Courtney Bird, case 197041581. Ms. Bird, today is the date time set for an arraignment on a warrant. Ma'am, I'm going to remove the warrant in this matter, enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. Ms. Bird, you were here at the beginning of 2020,
Yes.
and we didn't take care of this ticket. What happened with that?
I was on a payment plan, and I went down, and I had got on the payment plan, and I went back and paid it off, but I was unaware that I had a ticket still on there. She only had me pay the ones that had my license suspended.
So this, I get it. So what happened was, when we had our case back in January 2020, the December of 2019 case hadn't made it up to the court yet.
Okay.
So what I'm going to do is dismiss this case pursuant to an agreement, waive the reinstatement costs.
Okay.
So Ms. Bird, you are all set.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Do you have any questions, ma'am?
So do I go to the Secretary of State and try to get my license back, or?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
They're going to send the clearance right away.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Bye. Yeah. Get right on out there.
Do we get an offer from Ms. Baker?
Yes. Let me get it for you, good.
I'm going to do bill in between. That's a dismissal.
Okay.
Ms. Bell, can you hear me? You got unmuted.
Sorry.
No problem. How you doing today?
I'm fine.
Okay, ma'am, your middle name is Lorraine Elizabeth?
Yes.
Okay, let me call your cases. It's the state of Michigan versus Ebony Bell, case SP 1102258, counts 1 and 2. Ms. Bell, could you state your name for the record?
Ebony Lorraine Elizabeth Bell.
Okay, Ms. Bell, today is the date and time set for an arraignment on the warrant. I'm going to dismiss these two matters due to insufficient evidence. Ms. Bell, I'm going to waive the reinstatement fees as well. You are all set.
Okay.
Do you have any
Thank
questions,
you.
ma'am?
No, so I know. So my license will. How do I contact?
They're gonna send the clearance to the Secretary of State, but I would follow back up with the Secretary of State to set an appointment up. Make sure that you're all straight. Okay.
Okay, that's all I needed to know because I drive very far for work, so I just needed to know.
Yep. But
Okay.
yeah, these matters are resolved here. So unless you don't have anything else somewhere else.
No, I don't.
All right.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, Maya, what you say? How do you get off this stupid thing?
Ms. Robinson, should I close that door? Or are they getting out? They figured it out.
We're done, Judge. So yes.
Okay, cool. Okay. Mr. Phillips, are you back?
Yes, we are.
Okay.
Can you hear it?
I can hear you.
Okay.
1 second here.
I'm still trying to learn how to work this system, so. Hold on a second.
Okay, let me call the cases. This is State of Michigan versus Odelia Olmedo. Cases V120782120, V120782220, V120783220, V120078420, V120785220, V120786220, 78720, 78820, 78920, 79020, 79120, 79220, 79320, 79420, 79520, 79620, 79720, 79820, 79920, and 80020. Ms. Robinson, could you put your appearance on, please?
Yes. Good morning. If it may please the court, Sarah Robinson, P63181, appearing on behalf of the defendant.
Okay. Ms. Hernandez, could you raise your right hand? Do you promise
Yes,
to
Your Honor.
translate the English language to Spanish, Spanish to English to the best of your ability?
I do, Your Honor.
Thank you very much. And Miss Olmedo, could you state your name for the record, please?
Señor Olmedo, ¿puedo decir su nombre para que conste en el acta, por favor?
Odilia Olmedo.
Odilia Olmedo. Your Honor, do you want me to put on the record the case and all the charges?
No, don't worry about it.
No. Okay, thank you.
And well, I would just say this. All of the tickets are charged with the same thing: possession of a wild animal without a permit.
Ok, este es el caso de la señora Odilia Olmedo. Todos los tickets emitidos tienen el mismo cargo, que es la posesión de animales no domésticos, salvajes.
Okay. Miss Robinson, did you have a chance to discuss a plea offer with the defendant?
Señora Robinson, ¿usted tuvo la oportunidad de consultar y hablar con la señora acusada con respecto a un acuerdo precondenatorio?
Miss Robinson, you're on mute.
I did speak with her about the offer, and she would like to plead guilty.
Okay.
Sí, yo hablé con ella acerca de la oferta y ella le gustaría declararse culpable.
All right. Miss Olmedo, could you raise your right hand?
Señor Olmedo, ¿puede por favor levantar su mano derecha para ser juramentada?
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I can't see.
No le podía ver la mano levantada.
Ma'am, do you promise to tell the truth and the whole truth?
Señora, ¿usted promete decir la verdad y toda la verdad?
All right. Thank you.
Yes.
Sí, ok, gracias.
Can you not see us?
You know what? Her hand blended in with the table behind her, so I didn't see it was up.
Okay.
I've got it on a small screen. I should have blew it up. So that's my bad.
No puede ver ahorita, si es que no le podía ver la mano, porque la mano se confundía con la pesa que tiene atrás. Pero ya lo puede ver.
Okay. Miss Olmedo, you understand that you have the right to take these cases to trial if you wanted to?
Señor Olmedo, ¿usted entiende que si usted quisiera, usted podría llevar estos casos a juicio si así lo quisiera?
No creo.
¿Ah?
No quiero.
No, I don't want to go to trial.
Okay, I know you don't want to go to trial, but do you understand that you could if you wanted to?
Yo sé que usted no quiere ir a juicio, pero la pregunta es que si usted entiende que si usted quisiera ir a juicio, usted podría ir a juicio. Esa es la pregunta, ¿entiende?
Ok. Sí entiendo.
Oh, yes. Yes, I understand.
All right. Ma'am, directing your attention to the date of December 1st, 2020.
Ok. Señora, volvamos al día, ¿verdad? Su atención al día 1 de diciembre del 2020.
Ma'am, did you have 2 chickens in your possession in the city of Detroit without a permit?
Usted tenía en su posesión 2 pollos, ¿verdad? 2 gallinas en su posesión en la ciudad de Detroit sin permiso para tenerlos.
Sí, yes.
Sí. Okay. Señora Olmedo, tiene que hablar, tiene que decir sí o no, no mover la cabeza. ¿Ok?
Oh, perdón.
It's okay. Okay, sorry.
Okay.
Entonces diga. Yeah, she says yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. I'm going to accept your plea to cases ending 78120 and 78220. The rest of the matters will be dismissed.
Ok, señor Olmedo, entonces yo voy a aceptar su declaración para los cargos 78-120 y 78-220. Todos los demás van a ser desestimados. Solo se queda con 2 cargos.
Okay. Now, Ms. Olmedo, tell me what happened. What's going on with these chickens?
Ok, señor Olmedo, entonces cuénteme, ¿qué es lo que pasa con estos pollos?
Yo los compré para consumir los huevos orgánicos para mis hijos y para mi familia.
I bought it for personal consume, like organic chickens, for personal consume for me and my family.
Do you still have them?
¿Todavía los tiene?
No, ya no las tengo.
No, not anymore.
Okay. So their offer was, ma'am, if you don't have any tickets like this within the year, then these cases will be dismissed and off of your record.
Ok, entonces, señora Olmedo, la oferta fue que si usted durante todo un año, usted no vuelve a tener ningún animal de estos, entonces, después del año, su récord queda limpio.
Okay.
So,
okay.
Ms. Byes, do we have a 1-year review date?
Yes, Judge, it is May 12, 22.
Okay. So I'm going to set a date for May 12th, 2022. Ma'am,
Okay,
if you don't have
Almedo.
any other tickets like this, then this case will be dismissed.
Ok, señor Olmedo. Entonces, la próxima vez que usted tiene que venir a corte va a ser un día como hoy, mayo 12 del año que viene, del 2022, en un año. Si cuando usted se presente ante la corte el 12 de mayo del 2022, usted no ha tenido ningún otro ticket como este, entonces su récord va a quedar limpio.
Okay.
Okay.
If you don't have a ticket like this within the year, you do not have to come to that date.
Y si para ese día usted no le han dado ningún ticket como este, usted no tiene que volver a la corte.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. With that being
Judge,
said,
Judge, I'm sorry. Hold on one second. Judge, can we make? I'm sorry. Can we make that for? I want to put it on a Wednesday just in case. So can you do either May 11th or May 18th?
okay, well, change it to May 11th.
Okay.
Ok, se cambió la fecha, señora Olmedo. Va a ser para el 11 de mayo del 2020. No el 12, 11.
Just want to keep it on a community court day.
Porque lo queremos mantener para que el caso sea oído durante el día que le toca los casos a la corte comunitaria.
Okay. Ms. Olmedo, I'm going to suspend the sentence on this, so just don't pick up another ticket like this and you're good.
Ok, señor Olmedo, entonces yo voy a suspender la sentencia por este caso. Por favor, que no le den otro ticket por lo mismo.
No, ya no voy a tener gallinas. Ya no.
No, I'm not going to have more chickens.
No.
All right. Do you have any questions, ma'am?
Señora, ¿tiene alguna pregunta?
No.
No, no.
All right, then you are good to go.
Ok, señora, entonces ya se puede ir.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, bye-bye. Do you need me for any other case, Your Honor?
I think so. I think we got one more. Well, actually,
Okay.
we got to bring Well, I don't know, Mr. Phillips, is
Yes, sir.
is Miss De Leon a Spanish speaker?
Yes, she is.
Okay, so Miss Hernandez, we need you for one more.
Okay, no problem.
See, you gotta wait. We're in session right now. Okay, so
Let's see what happens. Okay, no.
I can't find any of her tickets. I'm gonna squeeze in and do what's the one you sent me the offer for?
it's be
Baker.
Yolanda. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mr. Phillips, do you have a case number for Miss De Leon's case?
Not confirming, Your Honor.
Okay.
But we also have Ms. Maria Sanders to say.
I can't hear you.
Ms. Maria Sanders, the lady you asked to have here this morning.
Okay, 1 second. Miss Baker, can you hear me?
Still mute.
Okay, 1 second.
Okay. Oh, her name is D hyphenated Leon.
Yeah, I found Miss DeLuz's. They've got it under they don't have it under Silas. They just have it under they just have it under Luz as the last name. So 1 second.
Yeah. I thought I put that into information.
Yep, you did. So I'm just pulling it up now. Okay. I gotta look up one more thing just to make sure we got everything here. All right. This is State of Michigan versus Maria de la Luz Salas, case SP 114-355. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. We got, we thought you were saying Maria de Leon first. I didn't know. So, I have it in.
Your Honor, so this is Maria de Leon, this lady, the
No.
case.
No. So I'm sorry. We're doing Maria de la Luz.
Last name?
L-U-Z. Case number is
Okay.
SP.
Maria de la Luz is a name.
Yeah,
the last name.
I think they've got
The
it
last
wrong in
name?
the system. So that's why I just said
Okay.
that. I think her full name is Maria de la Luz Salas.
Salas. Okay. Okay. Perfect.
But I just called it
Okay.
as it was listed because I wanted to make sure that it corresponded with the case number.
Perfect. No problem. And the case number is?
SP.
Yes.
114-355-81.
95?
I'm sorry.
81.
355-81.
355-81. Okay, perfect. Thank you very much.
Okay, Mrs. Salas is charged with driving without a license and driving the wrong way on a one-way street. Ms. Robinson, the offer in this case is allowing an unlicensed driver to drive with terms and conditions of community court. And I'll give you a chance to talk with Ms. Salas about resolving this case or setting the trial if you can participate in the breakout room.
Yes.
Okay. And Ms. Hernandez, I'm gonna put you in there as well.
Okay, can I call the case, translate what you said so she can know?
Yes, please.
Okay. Este es el caso de el pueblo contra la señora María de la Luz, el caso número SP 114-35581, siendo acusada la señora de manejar sin licencia y de haber manejado en dirección contraria en una calle de una sola dirección. Ahorita vamos a mandarla con la abogada defensora a una sala de consulta privada para que su abogada pueda hablar con usted. Okay, thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna open the room.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Okay. Ms. Baker, can you hear me? Yolanda Baker? I gotta try to get some of these knocked out in between. Ms. Baker, can you hear me? Nope. Mr. Bird, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
How you doing, sir? My name is Judge Williams. Give me a minute to pull up your cases. All right, this is State of Michigan versus Cornell Bird, case SP 103-27561. Also cases actually that looks like Mr. Bird, sir, it looks like This is a matter that you've already pled on. Are you asking for more time to pay?
No, I paid the $400. You guys were supposed to take it from the warrant and issue it there. But when I called the Secretary of State, they were saying that it's not clear in the system.
Looks like you got 1, 2, 3, 4 reinstatement fees.
She said it should be like 6 clearances.
I had 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a 2019 failure to properly secure a passenger child.
Yes.
When were you last here?
Like a month ago. You said you were dismiss everything if I pled guilty to allowing an unlicensed person to drive.
Huh, 1 second.
Yes, I'm gonna pull the file, okay?
Okay. Sorry, Mr. Bird, we're just trying to figure out what's going on here.
That's fine.
I think there's something about a different spelling or something. So hold tight. I'm going to put you back in the waiting room, and we're going to figure this out, okay?
Sounds good.
Ms. Baker, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay, let me call your cases. This is State of Michigan versus Yolanda Baker, case SP 499-770, counts 1 and 2. Case U 255-16415. Ms. Baker, today is the day set for an arraignment on the warrants. Ma'am, I'm going to list all of the warrants on these matters. You're charged 1 count of driving with an expired license, 1 count of no insurance, and then a 2015 ticket for remaining in the park after the closing time. Continuing a not guilty plea on your behalf for all matters. Ms. Baker, if you'd like to resolve these today, there's an offer that if you plead to remaining in the park after the closing time, this matter be taken as a delayed sentence, which means that if you don't pick up a ticket like this within the next 3 months, the case will be dismissed. If you pay the fine, and I'll dismiss the other 2 cases, the fine will be $240, but I will give you time to pay that. It looks like you posted, how much did you post in a bond?
I posted $700.
Okay, so the fine will be $240, and they'll send you the rest of the money back.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. That's a blessing.
And I just offer.
Yes, I do.
Okay, I don't mean to rush you or anything like that. Did you have any questions, ma'am?
No, I'm fine and dandy. So what do I do now? So I don't owe nothing. I'm gonna get money back.
Yep. So we got to take the plea first, and then then they apply. They'll take the fine from your bond money, and then they'll send you the rest back. It takes a while, so it'll probably be about a month, but you should be straight. And if you don't pick up a ticket like this in 3 months, then this case will be dismissed too.
Okay, and I wanted to know when can I go get my driver's license?
About a month when they apply the bond.
A month?
Yep, but if you wanted to try to get it faster, you can pay the reinstatement fees on the 2 traffic cases. They're $45 a piece. If you pay those right away, then they will lift the hold as soon as you pay those, and then they'll send you the rest back.
So do I need to take it to the court?
Take what to the court?
The reinstatement fee.
You can pay it.
$45.
You can pay it. There's you can pay it by the DivDat machines. There's one in front of our building, but they're also at CVS's in Detroit. So if you wanted to go to a CVS, you can just pay it there.
Okay. Okay, I accept that.
Okay. Ms. Baker, could you raise your right hand?
Yes.
Do you promise to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Okay, Ms. Baker, you can put your hand down, ma'am. Do you understand that you have the right to take these matters to trial if you wanted to?
Yes.
Okay, Ms. Baker, directing your attention to the date of June 2nd, 2015. Ma'am, were you at the park on Connor and Clarepoint, Maharis Park after the closing time?
Yes, I was.
Okay, I'm going to accept your plea. I'm going to dismiss the 2 other cases. Ms. Baker, I'm going to assess a fine of $240. This matter will be taken as a delayed sentence. If you don't pick up another ticket like this, we'll say by July 21st, 2022, then this case will be dismissed. We're going to apply the bond to these tickets.
21, Judge.
21,
Okay.
sorry, July 21, 2021.
Okay.
Okay. Now, Ms. Baker, do you have any additional questions?
No, I just need to go pay the
Pay those reinstatement fees,
$45
and you should be straight. You should be able to go to the Secretary of State. They'll lift the holds.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you very much.
Bye.
Right. I'm done.
You are.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, before I call Miss Silas back, Miss Byes on that Cornell Bird ticket.
So yeah, so did you see the 19 ticket, Judge? That's the one that he was recently here on.
2019 ticket?
Yep. It's a 19-486-9391.
Here, 1 second. I got bird spelled wrong again.
Excuse me.
19
486 9391. So he was here.
I don't even see that one. 1 second.
Okay. So that's the one that he was here on April 7th. He said allowed to, but you have it stamped on a ticket for FTD, failed to display.
Can you give me that ticket one more time?
Yes, Judge. It's 19-486
486
939.
939.
And I'm gonna run his driver's license number to see if there's some spelling that's wrong. Yeah, okay, so they have him as Cornell and Cordell. So he was here on the 7th for this 19 ticket that you took care of. And it looks like you also dismissed his false insurance ticket. If you run his driver's license, Judge, you will see what I'm seeing.
Yeah, I got the Cornell tickets.
You ran a driver's license?
No.
Run that. If you run that, you'll see both Cornell and Cordell. So he has some other Cornell tickets out here as well. He took some pleas on another case too under Cornell. But that was back in 20.
Okay. Yep. So I see Cordell and Cornell. All right. I'm going to pull them up.
Okay.
And we'll see if we can change these names too.
Yep. So if you make sure it's Cornell and not Cordell, then I can change it real quick, Judge.
Okay. Mr. Bird, sir.
Yes, I'm here. How you doing?
I'm good. So we figured out what's going on. They got you under 2 different names.
Okay.
Cornell and Cordell.
Yeah, I don't know.
Sir, what is your name?
Cornell with an N, Cornell.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is change the cases in the system to Cornell. And it looks
Hello.
like.
Hi, I'm here. I'm back in my telephone because something happened to the Wi-Fi at the home. So
Okay.
I'm on my telephone, but I'm here.
Thank you, Ms. Hernandez.
You're welcome, Your Honor.
So, Mr. Bird, sir, I got 1, 2, 3, 4 reinstatement fees. I also have, well, 5 if you count a matter that you pled to in January of 2020 that has not been paid yet. And a civil infraction from 2019 that has not been paid yet. But they're all under the right name at this point. As a matter of fact, those matters were already under Cornell. The cases that we dealt with in April were the ones that were under Cordell. And I get that you took a plea, there's a fine out, and the rest of the matters associated with that case were dismissed.
Correct.
So that's where we're at. You just got to pay the fines.
Okay, what's the fines on those?
On which one?
You said that. I mean, I paid the $400 for the because it was a warrant, and then I guess when I came in April, you dismissed whatever, and then you told me to pay $240. Now you
Okay.
saying
Yep. So those warrants have not, the bonds have not been applied yet. So that 400 should take care of at least the 240 and 3 more reinstatement fees. You still have the $342 that you owe from a plea that you took in January 27th of 2020 and a civil infraction from April 2nd, 2019 at $198.
Okay, so what's the total? So I can come pay it because I got a driver assessment coming up.
Okay, so if you go to the website 36districtcourt.org, they give you a total of everything that you owe.
Okay, is it updated in the system already before I go?
It is.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Am I done?
Yep.
Right,
Thank you, sir. Okay. Mr. Phillips, Ms. Hernandez, Ms. Robinson, thank you all for your patience. All right, let me come back on here. All right. This is, well, Ms. Hernandez, you are already sworn in, so I'm going to call the case. This is City of Detroit versus Maria de la Luz Salas. Case is SP 114-35581 and SP 114-35481. Miss Salas, could you state your name for the record? Oh, you got to unmute, Miss Hernandez.
Sorry.
No problem.
I changed devices. This is too much for me. Okay, this is the case of the state of Michigan versus Mrs. María de la Luz Sala, caso SP 114-35581 y 3481.
Miss Salas, could you state your name for the record?
Señora Salas, ¿puede decir su nombre para que conste en el acta?
Sí, María de la Luz Salas.
Yes, María de la Luz Salas.
Ms. Salas, there's a recommendation in this. Oh, I'm sorry, Ms. Robinson, could you put your appearance on?
Good morning, Sarah Robinson, on behalf of the defendant.
Okay, Ms. Robinson, did you have a chance to talk with Ms. Salas about an offer in this case?
Yes, Judge, and she would like to plead guilty.
Okay.
Ok, señora Salas, señora Robinson, por favor diga su nombre para que conste en el acta. Sí, su señoría, mi nombre es Sara Robinson y yo soy la acusada, yo soy la abogada defensora de la señora. Ok, señora Robinson, ¿la fiscalía le propuso algún trato o ella quiere, cómo se quiere declarar su cliente? Sí, ella quiere declararse culpable. Ok.
All right. Ms. Salas, could you raise your right hand?
Señora Salas, por favor, levante su mano derecha para ser juramentada.
Do you promise to tell the truth and the whole truth?
¿Usted promete decir la verdad y toda la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Gracias, señora.
Ms. Salas, do you understand that you have the right to take these matters to trial if you wanted to?
Señora Salas, ¿usted entiende que si usted quisiera, usted podría ir a juicio con este caso?
Sí. Sí, entiendo.
Yes, I understand.
Okay. Ma'am, directing your attention to the date of December 10th, 2020, were you driving without a license in the city of Detroit?
Señora, llevando su atención al día 10 de diciembre del año 2020, ¿estaba usted manejando sin licencia en la ciudad de Detroit?
Sí.
Excuse me? Yes.
Okay, I'm going to accept Ms. Salas's plea in case SP 1143558, count 1, to the amended charge of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, and I'm going to dismiss the second case.
Ok, entonces yo voy a aceptar la declaración de culpabilidad del caso de la señora Salas, número SP 114355881, y voy a desestimar el segundo cargo.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Ms. Salas, are you close to getting your license yet?
Señora Salas, ¿usted está de alguna forma más cerca de poder obtener su licencia?
Pues tomé una licencia que es internacional.
Well, I took the one that is the international license.
That doesn't count. That we can't, that doesn't count as a way to drive here. So let me ask this. Ma'am, we have two options today. I can assign you to some community service, or I can just give you a fine to take care of. I will give you time to pay that if you wanted to pay the fine. But if you wanted to work towards a license, I won't find you, and I'll work towards seeing what we can do to try to help you get that driver's license here.
Ok, señora, yo tendría entonces que esa licencia internacional no es válida para manejar aquí. Usted tiene dos acciones que tomar. Usted puede pagar la multa hoy, o puede, yo le puedo dar una sentencia de trabajando con la comunidad, si es que usted, para darle tiempo, si es que usted tiene el chance de poder obtener una licencia válida.
Pues yo quiero pagar el ticket hoy mismo.
Well, I would like to pay the ticket today.
Okay, well, the fine will be $240, but I will give you time to pay that if you need it.
Ok, entonces la multa sería de $240, pero si usted no lo puede pagar todo hoy, yo le podría dar un poquito de tiempo para que lo pague. O si lo quiere pagar todo hoy, lo paga todo hoy.
Sí, lo voy a pagar todo hoy.
I will pay it today all.
Okay, I'm going to put a review date just in case of June 16th, 2021. Miss Salas, you can pay it online at 36districtcourt.org, or you can pay it at the DivDet kiosks. They have them at CVS's around Detroit.
Ok, señora Salas. Entonces yo voy a poner una fecha posterior para revisar el caso. Sería el 16 de junio del 2021. ¿Ok? De aquí, entonces, usted puede pagar este ticket en línea en la Corte 36 de Distrito.org o en cualquiera de los kioscos que hay en las diferentes farmacias CVS.
Está bien.
It's okay.
All right. Do you have any questions?
Ok, ¿tiene alguna pregunta?
No.
No.
All right, then you are good to go.
Ok, señora Salas, usted ya puede retirarse.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Good.
¿Tú tienes carta de crédito para pagar eso en línea?
Your Honor.
Yes.
I'm trying to connect again with my computer because it's easier for me, and I'm in your waiting room. Thank you. So I will check off.
I just
Okay,
joined.
I will go out of my telephone and I will join you here. Okay.
Okay, Emma. Yeah, one more person.
Yeah, here I am. Perfect.
Okay.
I'm back. I'm back in my office.
Okay.
Okay, so this is Mrs. De Leon.
Yeah, but I can't find the cases on this one, so I'm gonna try it again. Mr. Phillips, I can't find the cases under the spelling that you gave me. Do you have a case number or a ticket number?
Let me see if I can get this number. Okay. Oh, it's De Leon Perez. It's De Leon Perez. It's her last name. Is this your last name?
Yeah, we can't hear you, Mr. Phillips.
Her last name is De Leon hyphenated Perez. That's probably the reason why.
Okay. Okay.
Got it?
Yep.
And the name?
So I got Maria De Leon Perez.
Yes.
And these are case numbers SP 114-1787, counts 1 and 2. In case SP 114-1766, counts 1 and 2. All right, let me call the case. It's the state of Michigan versus Maria De Leon Perez. Case is SP 114-1787, counts 1 and 2, and SP 114-1766, counts 1 and 2. Miss De Leon Perez, could you state your name for the record, please?
Estos son los casos, el caso del estado de Michigan contra la señora María de León Pérez, el caso 1141787, cargos 1 y 2, y el caso 1141766, cargos 1 y 2. Señora Pérez, por favor, ¿puede decir su nombre para que conste en el acta?
Sí, María Concepción de León Pérez.
Okay.
Yes, María Concepción de León Pérez.
All right, there is an offer in this case that would allow you to plead to a charge of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Ms. Robinson, Ms. Hernandez, Mr. Phillips, I'd like to put you guys in the breakout room to discuss the offer, if that's okay with everyone.
Señora de León, hay una oferta por parte de la Fiscalía de que usted se declare culpable de un cargo menor, que es el que dejar manejar a una persona sin licencia. Entonces voy a ponerles ahora a usted, al señor Philip, a la señora Hernández y a la señora Robinson en una sala de consulta privada para que puedan hablar del caso.
All right.
Hey, Judge, you know you have to be out of here by 3:30 today, right?
Yep.
Can you do Devin? Oh, you lost him.
He keeps popping on and popping off. I'm gonna do Freddie Baptiste. That's a dismissal.
Okay. Yeah, because he called the fourth floor.
He called the fourth floor.
Yeah, they just called me.
What's
Told
on
me
the
he was
fourth
in the
floor?
waiting room. Trial services, my boss.
Oh. Now I don't want to call him at all.
They just called me.
Yeah, I mean, I go in the order that they place. Mr. Baptiste, you got to connect with the audio.
He's trying to.
Yeah.
Hello, can you hear me?
Hey, I can hear you, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, how you doing today, sir?
I'm doing well. How about yourself?
I'm all right.
Give me 1 second to call your cases. All right, this is State of Michigan versus Freddie Baptiste. Cases SX3648442, count 1, and case U16685714. Mr. Baptiste, sir, today is the day set for arraignment on the warrants. Sir, I'm going to remove the warrants in these matters. Sir, it looks like you took care of the no proof of insurance ticket and the left turn ticket on the traffic case. So I'm going to dismiss that case and remove the reinstatement fee. Sir, I'm also going to dismiss the 2014 loitering ticket as well.
All right.
So you are all set.
Since you dismissed them, do I get my $150 back or no?
You do.
Oh, all right. They gonna send it to me?
They're gonna send it to you, sir. It takes about a month.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
I could be able to get my license now?
You should be.
Thank you.
All right, good luck, Mr. Baptiste.
All right, you have a blessed day.
You too, sir.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
You said waive the repeat, Judge?
Yep.
Okay.
I don't know who this is.
That's gonna be Janice.
Hello?
Janice.
Hi,
Yes.
ma'am, can you tell me your name?
Janice Baker.
Okay, 1 second, Ms. Baker.
Okay. Come back here. Come back here.
All right. This is State of Michigan versus Janice Baker. These are cases SP 1108411, counts 1, 2, and 3. Also calling case SP 1108407, counts 1 and 2. These are two matters that were in default status. I'm gonna set aside the defaults. These cases. Miss Baker.
Yes.
1 second, I'm just making sure we got all of the cases now.
Okay.
All right, ma'am, if you wanted to resolve these today, I would amend the driving while license suspended ticket to an amended charge of failure to display. It's a no point offense. And I'll dismiss the rest. The fine will be $240, but I'll give you time to pay that if you need it.
I say that last part.
I'm sorry?
You need what? You said you need what?
No, I said I'm gonna fine you $240 if you took the plea, but I would give you time to pay it if you needed time to pay.
Yes, exactly. Thank you.
Okay, do you want to take that offer?
Say it again.
It'll be 1 count of failure to display a valid license. It's a no point offense, and I'll dismiss the rest of the tickets.
Yep.
Okay.
It'll be 1 count. It'll be 1 count of wait a minute, 1 count of failure to show a valid driver's license.
Yes, ma'am. And then I'll dismiss the improper plates. I'll dismiss the no registration. I'll dismiss the no proof of insurance, and I'll dismiss the expired plates.
Okay. Now, would that allow me to still get my driver's license and stuff?
Well, you got a number of reinstatement fees on some older tickets
I know.
you take care of on top of the $240 that I'm charging you, but you take care of that and you should be straight.
Okay. Can you tell me if you're looking, if it's not a bother, only if it's not a bother, how much does it add to the reinstatements?
Well, I don't have a calculator on me, but I can tell you I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9
Oh my God.
reinstatement fees, but I'm gonna waive the reinstatement fees as to these cases. So it's just 9 and not the 12.
Okay. Okay, so that's $45 a piece. I'll add that up. It's 9 and 45. Okay, I got you. Okay, yes, I'm gonna take that, please.
Okay, ma'am. Could you 1 second?
I'm sorry,
Okay.
Judge. There's actually 3 more. You see where you're looking at her name, it has the F/C suspension out there. Those also have reinstatement fees out there. I just looked up the financial part of it, and they're still out there.
Okay. Yep. So, ma'am, I take that back. There's a total of 12 that you got to pay.
Okay.
There's some 12 reinstatement fees. Those
Okay.
I can't help you on.
I'm gonna pay him. Be quiet. Okay.
All right.
I wasn't talking to you. I'm sorry, sir.
No, don't worry about it. Can you raise your right hand?
But I didn't go back to court, so they come back up when you don't go back down.
Ms. Baker.
I'm listening.
We can't have this conversation at the same time. If you want to talk to somebody.
I'm sorry. Go ahead. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Are you ready?
Hello. Yes.
Ms. Baker, do you promise to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, ma'am. Anybody promise you something other than what we talked about?
No.
Señora.
1 second, Ms. Hernandez. Ms. Baker, you understand that you have the right to go to trial on these cases?
Yes.
All right, ma'am. Directing your attention to the date of August 25th, 2020, where you pulled over in the area of 7 Mile Lindsay.
Yes.
That time, were you driving without a valid license?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to accept your plea as to case SP 11084111 count 3 to the amended charge of failure to display. The rest of the tickets that I called will be dismissed pursuant to this agreement. Ma'am, I'm going to assess a fine of $240. Give you till June 23rd, 2021 to take care of that $240.
June 23rd. Okay, let me write that down.
Actually, ma'am, is that enough time for you?
Okay, so this is May, June 23rd. Yeah, that seems about right.
Okay. Do you have any questions?
Can we do June 27th?
We'll do July 14th, just to be sure.
July 14th, okay. Yeah, that's perfect. Let me see. July 14th. What my pen is? July 14th, okay. July 14th, you said. Okay.
All right. Do you have any further questions, ma'am?
Yes, and I'm taking care of 200 and what exactly?
$240.
$240. And 12 reinstatement. I mean, what do you call those tickets? 12.
The reinstatement fees?
Yeah, reinstatement fees. Okay. All right.
All right.
Okay, so to recap one more time. Sorry about that. Just that driver's with was displaying the license is dismissed, and the other tickets that go along with it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and you're giving me time to pay the remaining tickets for $240, right, until July the 14th.
Pay the 240 first. I give you to July, what did I say, 14th? And then, work on those reinstatement fees.
Okay, but you said you're giving me till July the 14th to pay the $240, right?
Yes.
Okay, great. And then work on the reinstatement fees. Yes, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Okay.
All right.
All righty.
Thank you, Ms. Baker.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Is this the judge?
This is the judge.
Oh, okay. How you doing, Judge? I found you today. That's how I remember your name. How you doing? Thank you so much. You have a good day.
You too, ma'am.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Judge, I'm sorry, you're waiving the refees on the ones that we did today, right?
Yeah, on the ones that we did today.
Okay, cool. Just making sure.
All right. Back in the matter of Miss De Leon Perez. Give me one moment here. Okay. Ms. Robinson, can you put your appearance on, please?
Yes, good morning. If it may please the court, Sarah Robinson on behalf of the defendant. I did discuss the offer with her and she wishes to plead guilty.
Okay.
Señora Robinson, por favor, puede poner su nombre para que conste en el acta. Sí, Sara Robinson, representando a la acusada y ella quiere declararse culpable. Ok.
Ms. De Leon Perez, could you raise your right hand?
Señora de León Pérez, por favor, levante su mano derecha para ser juramentada.
Do you promise to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Usted promete decir la verdad, solo la verdad y nada más que la verdad? Sí. Yes.
Okay. Ms. De Leon Perez, do you understand that you have the right to take these matters to trial if you wanted to?
Señora de León Pérez, ¿usted entiende que usted tiene el derecho a llevar estos casos a juicio si usted así lo quisiera? Señora Pérez, ¿me oye? Sí. ¿Me oye? Ok, necesito que dé alto. El juez le pregunta, ¿usted entiende que si usted quisiera ir a juicio, usted pudiera ir a juicio si así lo quisiera? Sí, sí lo entiendo. Yes, I understand. And for the record, the interpreter repeat everything again.
Okay. Miss De Leon Perez, you can put your hand down.
Señora León Pérez, puede bajar su mano.
Okay. Ma'am, directing your attention to the date of December 4th, 2020. Were you driving a car without a license in the area of Scotland and Clark in the city of Detroit?
Ok, señora de León, llevando su atención al día en cuestión, que fue el 4 de diciembre de 2020, ¿usted estaba manejando un carro sin tener licencia en el área de Scott en la ciudad de Detroit? Sí. Yes.
Okay, I'm going to accept the plea to the amended charge of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive in case SP 114-1787, count 1. The rest of the matters will be dismissed.
Ok, señora, entonces yo voy a aceptar su declaración de culpabilidad de que de el cargo enmendado de dejar a alguien sin licencia de manejar en el caso SP 1141787, el cargo número 1. Todos los demás cargos quedan eliminados. Okay.
Okay. Now, Ms. De Leon Perez, we have two options going forward. I can offer you a fine. where I would give you time to pay, or you can participate in the community court program where we can work on getting your license back and maybe some community service, but there'll be no fine.
Ok, señora de León, entonces aquí podemos hacer dos cosas, ¿verdad? O usted puede pagar hoy la multa y ya termina con eso, ¿verdad? O usted podría, y si no la puede pagar hoy, yo le podría dar un poquito de tiempo. O si no, usted puede entonces adherirse al programa de servicio comunitario, donde usted tendría que cumplir ahí con lo que mande el servicio comunitario, pero no tendría que pagar ninguna multa. Pero tendría que llevarse el tiempo que lleve a hacer lo que tenga que hacer en servicio comunitario. ¿Qué quiere hacer?
Prefiero pagar.
I'd rather pay today.
Okay. Ma'am, I'm going to assess a fine of $240.
Ok, señora. Entonces yo le voy a imponer una multa de $240.
I'm going to set a review date for June 23rd, 2021. Just make sure you have it paid by that date.
Ok, señora de León. Entonces voy a poner otra fecha para volver a la corte el 23 de junio del 2021. Por Zoom también. Asegúrese que para ese día ya usted ha pagado la multa. Ok.
All right. Do you have any questions?
Ok, ¿tiene alguna pregunta?
No, señor.
No, sir.
All right, then that concludes the hearing.
Ok, con eso concluye esta audiencia. Puede retirarse.
Gracias.
Thank you. Okay.
So we're all done, John.
All right. Ms. Hernandez, thank you very much. Mr. Phillips, thank you very much.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Your Honor. Nice to see you. Bye-bye.
See you both soon.
Ciao.
I got one left, and,
Okay.
but I don't think you need it on this one.
Okay, bye-bye. Thank you.
All right.
Take care, buddy.
Take care.
Take care.
Is that it, Judge Williams?
I got one more. We'll see what's
don't.
going on with this one. If we can get the. Oh, I got. Just trying to connect with the audio. Mr. Banks? Okie doke.
Hello?
Hi, Mr. Banks?
Yes, I'm sorry about that.
No problem. 1 second here. Let me call your cases. All right, this is State of Michigan versus Devin Banks. Case is SP 112-84981 and SP 112-84881. Today is the day and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Banks, sir, you're charged with 1 count of driving without insurance and 1 count of littering. I'm going to continue your not guilty plea. Mr. Banks, do you have insurance yet?
Yes, I emailed you a copy of that the last time we spoke.
Okay, 1 second. Let me pull it up here. Okay, Mr. Banks. As to case SP 112-84981, I'm going to dismiss this matter due to your valid compliance. And sir, that just leaves us with a littering ticket, $65.
Okay, and will I be able to pay that later on today?
Sure.
Okay, and how would I go about paying that?
You can pay it online at 36districtcourt.org, or you can pay it at the DivDat kiosk. There's one in front of our building here at 36, but they're also at CVS's in Detroit.
Okay.
All right, entering a responsible plea as to the littering, be $65, and give you 2 weeks to take care of that. Is that enough time?
Yes, that's enough time.
All right, so that'll put us, today's the 12th, May 26th.
Okay.
All right, well, thank you very much, sir. That concludes this hearing.
Thank you too. Have a good day.
You too. All right, that is it for me. I gotta go to 4:40, so a quick goodbye, and I'll see you all soon.
All right, Judge.
Thank you. Bye, everybody.
Bye.